Hi, this is Gary Albin. I'm a lawyer and partner at Accident Recovery Team at downtown in Wichita, and I'm here to visit with you a little bit today about so-called simple work comp cases. Before we started the camera, we were talking about, is there really such a thing as a simple work comp case? And every case is different, obviously, and every case has its more complicated parts, and sometimes they're more straightforward parts too. But the work comp system isn't designed, it's not set up to try to intimidate or overwhelm people by being super complicated or super difficult to navigate. But the reality is, it can be complicated. There can be situations where there can be real legal hurdles to just even proving that something happened as a result of an injury at work. Sometimes it's real straightforward and it's very easy to determine that, but many times it's not, and that's particularly true under these new standards, the new statutory requirements that were put into the work comp system. And the thing is, I guess the point I want to try to make is that a lot of times when somebody's hurt at work, you're going to have a lot of people telling you a lot of different things. You're going to have well-meaning coworkers maybe, or family or friends or neighbors kind of saying, hey, look at this, or you might do that. You're probably going to have people in the HR department perhaps of the company you're working for, or insurance company adjusters saying things. And while I like to believe that most people are going to be honest and straightforward, the reality is sometimes they're not. And sometimes they act like they know what they're talking about, but they don't. And again, that's particularly true because the laws have changed. And you don't want to use that as an excuse to just run away from the problem or not try to explore it. What we really urge people to do, if they have any questions about any legal issue, but particularly about work comp and personal injury, which is what we specialize in and what we do the most of, is to call us or to contact us on the internet, or set up a time to come in and visit with us about these issues, because it's free. It's confidential. Nobody has to know that you've talked to somebody. You may decide after talking to a lawyer there's nothing you want to try to do at that point about hiring somebody or moving forward, but at least you're making a decision based on evidence and information that is accurate. And it's really important, I think, to try to, as soon as you know that you're hurt or that you're having a problem, to contact somebody who is in a position to be able to give it to you straight and tell you, hey, this is what's going on, this is what your options are. That's why we're here, and that's what we encourage people to do, is to give us a holler, whether it's myself or my partner Todd, who also handles work comp cases with me, or my other two partners, Norman Douglas and Sean Brennan, who are very good attorneys at whatever it is they do. I think it's personal injury, but it's not work comp. It's not as complicated as work comp, but they like to think it is. In any event, you should give us a call. Let's see if we can answer your questions, give you an idea of what your options are, and help try to make these events that happen as short as possible, as minor as possible, by making sure you get medical attention right away. And that's why we're here, and that's what we encourage people to do. So again, this is Gary Albin with the Accident Recovery Team. If you have any questions, like I say, please give us a call at 267-TEAM, TEAM, or contact us online. And I hope you don't ever have to contact us about an injury problem, but if you do, know that we're here and we're happy to help in any way we can. Thanks so much. Goodbye.